Dear students, ninth class, preposition part unsolved. Mothers have affection for their children. We thankful to God for his blessings. I feel no appetite for food. We are tired of you. Tired of you. He has an easy access to this officer. He was true to his principles. Pay great attention to English. To English. Is he unfit for practical work? You are vexed at my behavior. I have an advantage over my enemy. Exercise second. He has no confidence in me. Rajinder is related to me. We have nothing but contempt for him. We respectful to your parents. You have no authority over me over me in this matter. He has an ambition for high business. Sita is very sensitive to criticism. I have no objection to his joining this college. We are short of money at present. I am ready for tea. Exercise third. He is a disgrace to his family. Agra is famous for its historical buildings. Pandit Nehru was popular among people. I have no hatred for him. He stands in need of money. His behavior is familiar to me. We are familiar with the present state of trade. I am grateful to you for the timely help. Are they not partial to him? She is quick at English. Exercise 4. Correct the following sentences. Correct करना है भी he is on the bed. On नहीं आउंदा, in आऊगा बई, ਇਹਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਆਊਗਾ in the bed still. We pray God daily. We pray to ਆਊਗਾ ਇਹਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ, ਇੱਥੇ ਖਾਲੀ ਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਆਊਗਾ to. We pray to God daily. He is accused for नहीं of ਆਊਗਾ, ठीक है, accused of theft. He writes from pencil नहीं with pencil. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੰਤਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ with ਆਉਂਦਾ, with pencil. ਪੰਜਵਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਈ we travel by train ਆਊਗਾ, in train नहीं, ਇਹ ਆਊਗਾ by train. फिर है they travel वाई नहीं आता, इतने इन हॉर्स बैक. he will join school in tomorrow. in tomorrow नहीं भाई, on tomorrow नहीं, by tomorrow. he will join school by tomorrow. I prefer tea. इत्थे for नहीं लगता, इत्थे लगू to coffee. tea to coffee. he is not ashamed of. I took pity on the beggar. Exercise 5th. It has been drizzling since Monday. He delivered a speech into नहीं आउंदा, इत्थे आऊ in the college hall. Sweets were distributed between the boys. between दो वास्ते आउंदा है, ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ between नहीं आउंदा, इत्थे आऊ among. AMONG ਇੱਥੇ ਆਊਗਾ among. AMONG among. फिर translate this passage, ਇੱਥੇ into ਆਊਗਾ ਬਈ, in नहीं, into English. His service has been dispensed with. फिर आएगा भी तिब्बत is in, ਇੱਥੇ ਆਊਗਾ in the north of India. His sister was married to a doctor. to ਇੱਥੇ ਆਊਗਾ to ਬਈ. ਅੱਗੇ ਦੇਖ, the lion was shot by the hunter. ਇੱਥੇ by ਆਊਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਵਿਦ ਆਊਗਾ ਬਾਈ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਹੰਟਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਾਟ ਮਾਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਏ ਆਊਗਾ। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਾਰਿਆ, ਵਿਦ ਔਰ ਗਨ। ਹੀ ਬਾਰਨਡ ਮੀ, ਔਨ ਦਾ ਡੇਂਜਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਆਫ ਦਾ ਡੇਂਜਰ ਆਊਗਾ। ਮੀ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਡੇਂਜਰ। ਹੈਵ ਯੂ ਡਿਸਪੋਜ਼ਡ, ਡਿਸਪੋਜ਼ਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਊਗਾ ਆਫ ਇੱਥੇ, ਡਿਸਪੋਜ਼ਡ ਆਫ।